AI tools are everywhere right now, but which ones are actually useful if you're a creator? In this video, I'll share the best free AI tools you can start using today to save time, boost creativity, and take your content to the next level. And the best part, they're all free. Let's dive in. First up is ChatGPT. It's perfect for brainstorming video ideas, writing scripts, generating captions, or even coming up with blog posts. Just type your prompt and it gives you instant content ideas. It's like having a free virtual assistant available 24/7. Second, Canva AI. Canva already makes design easy, but with AI features like Magic Write and text-to-image, you can create graphics, posters, thumbnails, and even social media content in minutes. It's perfect for creators who aren't professional designers. Next is Runway ML. This tool is amazing for video editing. You can remove backgrounds, erase unwanted objects from videos, or even generate new visuals using AI, all for free. It's like Photoshop, but for videos. Fourth, we have Copy.ai. If you struggle with writing descriptions, ad copy, or social media posts, Copy.ai can generate text in seconds. It's a lifesaver for creators who want to save time and still sound professional. At number 5 is Lumen 5. This tool transforms text into engaging videos automatically. You can paste a blog post or script, and it will generate a full video with stock footage, music, and captions. Perfect for YouTubers and social media creators. Sixth, Remove.bg. Super simple, but incredibly useful. Upload any photo, and it instantly removes the background. Great for thumbnails, product photos, or profile pictures. No Photoshop required. Next is Descript. This AI-powered tool lets you edit audio and video by editing text. Delete a word in the transcript, and it removes it from the video automatically. It also has AI voice cloning and background noise removal. Super handy for podcasters and video creators. Eighth, Jasper AI. It's one of the most popular AI writing assistants. While the full version is paid, it does offer a free trial. Jasper helps you write blogs, video scripts, captions, and more with a professional tone. Ninth is Pictory AI. If you create videos, this tool can take long content like podcasts or webinars and automatically turn them into short, shareable clips. Perfect for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. And finally, Grammarly. Not as flashy as some of the others, but it's essential. Grammarly checks your spelling, grammar, and tone, so your captions, posts, and scripts always sound polished and professional. And that's it. Those are the top free AI tools every creator should know about. From writing scripts with ChatGPT, to making graphics with Canva AI, to editing with Runway ML, you've got everything you need to create faster and smarter. I'll drop all the links in the description below so you can check them out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try.